Assalamualaikum, I am Syamilah from grade 8 and in this video I'm going to crush a can with air pressure. The contents of this video project are, I am going to be going through the experiment step by step with you, then I will show the results of the experiment following the whys and the hows of this experiment, and the last but not least, the conclusion. Firstly, I poured cold water into a glass bowl and poured room temperature water into a tin can, as the videos follow. And here is a little illustration, because I couldn't capture the actual thing, of the next step, which is where I put the tin can with the water inside on a pan, which is on top of the stove to heat up until you see the water vapor. And you can see in this video here. And here is another illustration of how I put the heated and sealed can inside the bowl of cold water. And ta-da! Then the can started to crush inside the bowl of cold water, and then the can was getting more and more crushed by the second. So, why and how does this happen? Now, let us look at this experiment a little closer with my beautiful illustration. Before I heated my tin can on the stove that can is filled with liquid water and gaseous air molecules. Heating my can adds energy to the liquid water inside. The more energy the molecule receives, the more excited they get, and the further apart the molecules spread. Once enough energy has been added to the liquid water, it changes state from a liquid to a gas. The gas being water vapor, as it was shown in the experiment. As the water vapor fills the can, it presses against the insides of the can, making an increase in pressure. When I placed the heated can in the bowl of cold water, all the water vapor molecules that filled the can got really close together and turned into a few drops of liquid water. This liquid water takes up a lot less space than a gas. At this point of the experiment, the outside atmospheric pressure is much higher than the pressure inside the can. In nature, pressure wants to rebalance. The imbalance is much higher than the pressure inside the can. In nature, pressure wants to rebalance. The imbalance causes the can to collapse, creating a balance between the pressure inside and outside the can. This collapse towards the center of the can is called implosion. And that is basically it for this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And I really tried my best, but anyways, thank you for watching, and assalamu alaikum.